Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set up voice commands in Samsung A16. If you are using Samsung A16 and now you want to enable voice commands, let's see how you can do this. For this, you just have to open your phone settings, just open it. From here, just go for accessibility, tap on it, then tap on interaction and dexterity, select voice access and enable it. Just tap on allow. So you can see voice access has been enabled. If you have to make a setup, you can easily set up that. And here, just scroll down. Here you can see the voice access has been enabled. Now just tap on it and say whatever you want to do. Tap on it. Open YouTube. Go to home screen. Swipe up. Swipe down. So that's how you can easily set up voice commands in your Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.